Friends, yesterday we will continue Home Rule Movement 1916. Okay, which purpose made it start Home Rule Movement? Who is the main person of the in this movement? Okay, Unbesant and next Balagandhar Tilak. Here two both members start of the Home Rule Movement. Okay, we will continue lesson chapter 1. Indian Constitution and historical background. Indian Constitution and historical background. Okay, here yesterday we will discuss about home rule movement and revolt. Okay, which purpose mainly start home rule movement? Who is the main head of the person of home rule movement? Okay, what is the main aims of the home rule? Home rule means a self-rule system. Okay, we will continue to discuss British colonial rule. British colonial rule. Number 1. Number 2. Social economical background. Social and economical background. Okay. Next, independent India, particularly national movement. Okay, national movement, historical background. The national movement mainly changes of the historically many places. Number 3, Great Revolt. Great Revolt. Okay, here what is the main cause of the independent movement? What is the main cause of the independent movement? British colonial rule. Okay, social and economical background. Okay, next Great Revolt. This is what is its main purpose? Main causes of Indian independent. India's independent. What is the main cause of India's independent? Okay, mainly here we will continue British colonial rule. Okay, Britishers ruling on India how many years? Minimum. Which year Britishers came to India in which year? 1757 to 1947. How many years approximately? How many years only? 200 years. 200 years. Okay. This approximately 190 years. Okay. Okay, here the main causes of India's independence, the Great Revolts, and next historically, particularly British colonial rule. British colonial rule. Our India is also one of the colonial of British. Okay, here Britishers policy, this type of policy, economically divide and rule system. Divide and rule. First one, divide and rule. Second one, which purpose will encourage the foreign policy, foreign exchange, foreign policy, or foreign exchange. Okay, yesterday we will clearly discussed English education announced. Who is mainly British Governor General William Bentinck. William Bentinck announced of the English education in our Indian society. Okay. British colonial rule. British colonial rule, particularly Britishers policy, divided rule policy. Okay. Next, here are some greatest revolutions. Particularly Mahatma Gandhi. Next, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Annie Besant. Okay. Next, some very few women also mainly economically, totally economically movement was start economically. So the movement particularly non-cooperation movement. Okay, 1757 to 1947. In these years, the gap. So many movements are totally change of economically, politically, economically and politically total change of in this movement. Okay, so Britishers period particularly some particular regions only developed. Example, sea coastal areas only developed, remaining area backward. The regions also under the controlled by the other foreign rulers, foreign system. Okay, provisional rule system. Okay, so the British system mainly economically investment, foreign policies also investment, exchange goods and items, India to foreign countries, particularly the Great Britain. So Britain and India exports and imports, particularly mainly export items is more there. India to Britain export items only for raw materials, food items only. Okay, British colonial rule system. In this period, non-cooperation movement. Okay, some greatest two movements are started. Which year? 19. Yesterday already we discussed 1935 Act. 1935 Act. 1919 Act. 1935 Act. 1945 47 Act. This Act announced by Britishers, British Governor General. Okay, what is special about 1935 Act? The 1935 Act, 1930 to 1935, 5 years period, 1930 to 1935. The main great revolts, the great movements mainly started off of India. Okay, non-cooperation movement 1932, civil disobedience or Salto Satyagraha movement 1935. Okay, and Simon Commission, Sir Stafford Cripps Commission, Simon Commission. These are commissions also announced of the Britishers policy. This Britishers Commission. Okay, here 1935 Act is also one of the changes of revolution. Okay, so the British colonial rule under the control by directly Britishers. Okay, the Britishers are mainly occupied of the sea coastal area and established of the particularly trade unions. Okay, these are persons, particularly British Governor Generals mainly encouraged trade and union. Trade union. Okay, union also established unions, trade and union. Okay, this main purpose mainly Britishers came to India and directly and ruling for many regions of area, many particular backward or many particular areas. Okay, second one, social and economical background. Social economical background. Social and economical background also. So society here all type of religions, and regions, caste, all type of more people economically total changes. Economically, here what is the meaning of background? Background means here some caste, very low caste people, very low religions also, very low religions. Hindus religions means particularly two castes, Hindus and Muslims. Okay, society economically background of areas. peoples or group wise people. So totally Britishers mainly occupied the economically social background peoples also mainly formed the government, British government. So the British government period economically totally changes, economical loss, economical collapses. So the improve the economically. So increase the new currency notes, increase the money and currency. Okay, profit also, so much profit also, they trade union profit. Example, British English East India Company. British India, which company is the biggest company? East India, East India Company. Dutch East Indies Company also. Dutch East Indies means here Netherlands or Holland people. Dutch East Indies. East India Company established of the eastern area, particularly which area? Eastern. Okay, here South India. British company mainly established of the Eastern India. Eastern India groups. Okay, the Eastern India and traveling to Eastern to South and West. Okay, total effect of the North side also. Okay, North side, Northern frontiers. This is called the Northern frontiers. Northern frontiers. Northern frontiers. Okay, and central frontiers means here like this border is called now is called Pakistan part. Now is called Pakistan. Okay, the British India Company mainly established of the eastern areas, eastern particularly East India Company, Bengal provinces. This company is called Bengal. Bengal regions or Bengal province region. Bengal provinces. So economically background of many people in eastern India areas. Odisha, present now is called Odisha, Bihar, Bengal. Bihar and Bengal. Okay, Chhattisgarh some parts. These areas under the control by the direct ruling of the Britishers. Okay, so trade purpose, export from. Okay, here particularly Bombay seaport exported to India to other foreign countries. Particularly which country? Britain. Okay, export trade. Particularly which items? Raw materials. Raw material of industrial raw materials. Industrial raw materials like example iron and steel. Iron and steel items, and next gypsum, iron and steel, and cotton product. Okay, rainbow cloth items. Okay, rainbow cloth items, etc. These are materials exported from Bombay province region to foreign countries. Export. This is called foreign policy. The foreign policy also introduced to the Britishers. Foreign policy. Yesterday we discussed clearly foreign investment, home rule movement. Home rule movement also mainly started Bombay province area, Bombay to Bengal, Kashmir, and Rajasthan, and South Karnataka, present now Madras province. Okay, Madras regions of areas. So total spend all over area home rule movement. Same foreign policy also here exported of items. Industrial raw material, silk, okay, cotton, iron and steel, and other gypsum. Here total industrial raw materials also exported to foreign country of Britain and other European countries. Okay, rainbow and foreign investment also exported. So this is the mainly British India Company and other total surrounding of areas. Socially, here total dominant of the very commonly people. Okay, next the Great Revolt. Okay, the Great Revolt, which is 1942 and 1947. Great Revolution also mainly start of British government period. Okay, 1940 to 1947. Which purpose between government also mainly one of the total economic changes of the 1942. Okay. First, second phase of Indian Revolution. 1940 to 47 means second phase. Second phase of Indian independent movement. Okay, 1942 and 47. These last periods, it is one of the second phase of Indian independent movement. And next, so this is the main cause of the revolts of the colonial system, social and economical background. Social and economical background, it is not only some division groups, culture, heritage, language. Here not only group of people, culture also mainly affected. Culture and heritage. Okay, culture, heritage and language and next to race. Okay, language, race. Okay, culture, heritage, language, race. Okay, these are etc. mainly depend on the social groups, economical background of the people also mainly dominated on the mainly Indian independent movements. The Great Revolt means here. Great Revolt means not only movement name. Great Revolt means between movement and next non-cooperation movement. Okay, these are movement is also one of the part of Great Revolt. Great Revolt means the movement name not. The Great Revolt means here 15 year movement. 15 year movement start to 1942 and non-cooperation 1939 to 1940. Non-cooperation, okay, 15 year and non-cooperation movement. 15 year movement and 9 non-cooperation movement. These are movement also one of the mainly changes of the historical of Great Revolutions. The Great Revolt also one of the movement. Okay, 15 year also one of the changes of the historically. 15 year and other non-cooperation movement also. Total changes of historically. Okay, these are movement mainly 1940 to 1940. Next, Simon Commission report. Simon Commission report. Simon Commission report. Mainly, what is the meaning of Simon Commission? One of the British Governor General, Sir Stafford Cripps report. And Simon Commission. These are report. Which purpose mainly? Wrote the report main method. Here is Simon Commission, the Stafford Simon and Stafford Cripps announced of the economical and economical type of policy and next independent economical policy, independent strength. Okay, independent strength economically. Totally the report announced of the two persons 1939 Sir Stafford Cripps. Okay, 1940 Simon Commission report. This report also mainly changes of the Great Revolt. Here turning point of the Great Revolt. Okay, next other important word. Now, which movement to turning point of national movement? Which movement to turning point of national movement? Which movement? Quit India movement. Okay, Quit India movement. Turning point of Quit India movement. This year 1942. This movement main slogan. Which Mahatma Gandhi announced the main slogan: "Do or die." Do or die. Okay, do or die, great independence of India. So, the great turning point of movement, turning point of the movement, Quit India movement. So, Quit India movement, non-cooperation movement, and Simon Commission, Stopper Cliffs. These are the economically, politically, total changes of the Great Revolt. The Great Revolt. So, it is the meaning is called Great Revolt means total turning point. The main historically main movements, greatest revolutions. This meaning of greatest revolution, greatest movements. Okay, Quit movement is also mainly Dandi, Sabarmati area, Sabarmati place, Gujarat place, the Gujarati Mahatma Gandhi and Champaran Satyagraha movement and non-violence. Non-violence also mainly encouraged of Mahatma Gandhi, non-violence, peace and truth. Okay, announced of the three principles. What is the main principles announced of the Mahatma Gandhi? Announced of the three principles. Already you know, non-violence and next non-violence and truth. Next one, non-violence and truth. Next, economically encouragement of every person. Economically encouragement of every person. Next, peace. Okay, peace also. Okay, non-violence, truth, peace, common, and economically encouragement of every person, help of every person. So these are mainly Mahatma Gandhi say the main type of principles. Okay, here total against of the Britishers. Non-violence is also one of the main point of this one. Okay, in this topic, truth, economically encouragement of every category, every person, and peace, etc. These are the mainly one of the changes of turning point of great revolt, great revolutions, or great revolt. Simon Commission report saying, what is report? The Simon Commission. So we have got the freedom of separate of against of the Britishers. So the Britishers remove the Britishers in our motherland. Okay, and self-rule of system. It is called Purna Swaraj. Purna Swaraj agreement. The Purna Swaraj means total unit of the nation. So India is also called Union of States. India is also called Union of States. Union of States. Some states also mainly emerged of the Indian part. India including Union. Okay. So these are the main topic of the main points of Indian independence. Okay, in this topic, British colonial law, social and economical background, Great Revolt, greatest of the independence. The Great Revolt means example, Second World War. Second World War is also one of the Great Revolt. It's not a worldwise, but this category only Indian historical background. Great Revolution. These are mainly 1939 to 1945. Second World War is also called the greatest revolution. Okay, Great Revolt. Simon Commission report. So Stopper Cliffs and also the Cripps announced of the theory system. Economically policy, economically strength and independent policies. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi principles of truth, principle, non-violence and peace. Okay, so turning point of movement, Quit India movement. Okay, so next conclusion. What is the main conclusion about causes of the Indian independence? The conclusion, particularly conclusion about in this topic. Okay, So our India independent main movements 1935 to 1947 came. 1935 to 1947. It is yes, many movements came this year 1935 to 1947. And next 1935 Act. 1935 Act. This act totally against of Indian local people. So the supporting of the Britishers. So 1935 Act. This act totally against of the Indian Union. So Mahatma Gandhi decided 1935 Act is not proposal. Okay, not imprisonment of our peoples. Not imprisonment of our people. So this is the against 1935. What was mainly non-violence rally. Okay, here like examples about the area to Gandhi rally start the rally. Okay, peaceful rally, non-violence and truth rally. The rally total changes of the many movements. Okay, here mainly economical or quitting movement also start 1942. 1942 quitting movement also mainly against of the quitting movement mainly how to start, which purpose mainly start quitting movement against of 1935 Act. So this 1935 Act against quitting movement start. Quitting movement and non-cooperative movement also mainly changes of the non-cooperative movement is mainly against of 1935 Act. So this is the main conclusion. The conclusion about causes of British colonial rule and Great Revolution. The Great Revolution to last ending time of revolution. The Great Revolution also mainly changes of Indian independent and Indian Constitution. Okay, students, tomorrow we will continue another new matter. Okay, constitutional law, under the law, constitutional law, and about topic constitution preambles. Okay, thank you, students.